One of my favorite features on the Forerunner 610 is that when I'm done working out, it's still working. Through the power of AMP Plus wireless technology, it automatically transfers my run data to my computer. Later, I can go to the Garmin Connect website to see my run on a map, view my splits, and other data, and share it with my friends or a coach. Garmin Connect is compatible with Mac and PC. From the Garmin Connect site, click the Get Started with Garmin Connect button. Follow the directions on screen, which prompt you to create a My Garmin account. Step 2 is choosing your Garmin device. Select the wireless fitness category. Now plug the USB ant stick into a USB port on your computer. Bring your watch within 10 feet of your computer. When the ANT software finds your device, it displays the unit ID number on the computer screen and asks if you want to pair. Select Yes. Your Forerunner will display the same number. Select Yes to complete the pairing. If you've already recorded an activity with your 610, it will then transfer the data to Garmin Connect. In addition to analyzing your own activities in Garmin Connect, you can search millions of activities uploaded by other users. Just go to the Explore tab and search by location or keyword. Use this resource to find new running or cycling routes. Click Send to Device to send the course to your 610 to use with the Virtual Racer feature. Using Garmin Connect to analyze, share, and explore can make your training more fun. And it's free, so sign up today.